Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Talk YouTube channel. Here is Oneplus Nord smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can show network speed in the status bar of phone. This is status bar. If you want to show the network speed, that is when you browse something through internet, then it will show how much data is downloaded and how much data are uploaded in your phone. So it will be very useful for measuring how much data spent for downloading or uploading. So for that, first go to the settings and then go to display, then go to status bar, then click on display network speed. Here just turn on this button. Now network speed is showing. See here 0.06 is showing. Now 13.6 kb per second is showing. So if anything running on background, if it consumes internet, and that will be showing how much data that's using. Okay, each second it will be showing. For example, now I go to amazon app, and now see, now it's showing 76.9 now 90.3 kb per second. So this network speed, that is browsing speed, is showing in the status bar. In this way you can easily measure how much data is being spent for accessing internet on our phone. Oneplus Nord. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.